Hey, hey, what up, guys? How's everyone doing today? So, first off, is the mic okay? Does the sound okay? Finally catch the live stream. Nice. How's it going, dude? I cannot get these settings right. I wonder if there's something I could tweak. Like, is it a super bad echo? Should I put my headphones on? Is it the music? Is that any better? Also, did you guys see the new site? New Watch Me Practice? Pretty happy with it? Hmm. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna keep going. If it's really bad, I'll switch it up, but otherwise, I'm just gonna keep going. So I went with the dark theme. One, because it was a play on like the fact that I'm live streaming at in the evening times. Obviously not today, but on Wednesday evenings I live stream. But also, I just wanted to switch it up from the normal like white minimal bubbly style that I normally do. So going for something very sleek and modern looking, and I am really happy with how this turned out. Abid, I'm very interested to know your design process. Well, I have the design tutorial for this Watch Me Practice site coming out pretty soon. Anyway, so let's play with this dashboard design. Not really sure what I want to do. Shoot. Alright, I'm just gonna put the my headphones on. Which means no music. Sorry guys. What's up, Amherst? How's it going, Abhishek? All right, is there an echo now? Okay, sorry, no music, guys. Hopefully this is better though. What are the tattoos on my arm? So these ones are ampersands. I just really love ampersands. This one, I'm not sure if you can see it, is Roman numeral 3. I'm the third brother, and all my brothers got one. There's 4 of us, so oldest got number 1, youngest got number 4. I'm the third child, so. All right, let's play with this. I'm not sure I like this anymore. Ooh. All right, shadow or no shadow? Kind of like the shadow. I'll keep it for now. Oh, so by the way, what I'm doing today is just playing around with a redesign for the YouTube dashboard. I started this in the last live stream, and I'm just gonna keep playing with it. All right, so I'm actually gonna change these images. I'm gonna use craft and just put in some generic images so I can get some variation. And I think I can do it all at once. Let's say beach for each one. Perfecto. Maybe this should have like a play button on top. So let's grab the vector tool, just make a little V shape or triangle. And grab those anchor points, bring in the rounded corners, maybe like 3. And let's put a fill on it of white. And let's drop the opacity too. Maybe like 60%. Could you use the sketch triangle? Oh, yeah, probably. So if I went to insert, shape, triangle. Yeah, I guess that would have been way easier. All right, so I need recent videos, recent comments, I'll have all the stuff up here, like the analytics and such. This, I don't want it to be masked. There we go. What's up, Mackenzie? What's up? How's it going? All right, what I'm going to do is select both of these and then just extend it like so. There we go. All right, this one should really be over more. Have you ever tried the Apple Pencil? I played with it at the Apple Store, and it seems super cool. But I have not. I don't have one. I really do want to get one because I feel like playing around with illustrations and such would be dope. But that would require me to buy a new iPad too. So. Wonder if I should add in some like. Maybe I should just extend the title to be the full thing. Let's see, what is that? YouTube dashboard. Video manager. Did you guys watch the new tutorial? Love to hear what you guys think. I think this would be like that, yeah. Since you got the new PC, the stream got so laggy. Shit, I'm sorry guys, like I have the exact same settings as I had before. So I'm really not sure why it's not working. I think maybe I should probably start streaming on the other one. But that's kind of a pain. I don't know. I'll give that some thought. There we go. It says my stream health is back up to green. Is it any better? Nope, just jumped to red. Shit. Bead, what artboard do you usually use? I usually use the desktop HD one, the 1440 pixel. Let's bump up the line height a bit. Let's see, if the font size 13, 1.5 would be 19, so 20 is probably good. Maybe 22. Make it like 1.7 or something. All right, let's make the user avatars kind of like the same, not a rectangle, but maybe a square. Because on the normal dashboard, it's a circle. So let's make this like 3. It's probably good. What am I drinking? It's just a vanilla spiced tea. All right, let's put the username maybe below. Actually, let's try rethinking this layout. Greetings from Philippines, mate. It's 12 p.m. midnight here, and I can't sleep, so I made myself some coffee and decided to hang around. I'm glad to have you, man. That doesn't really look good. So I need to add the username and also the title. One of 4. Watch me practice, redesign, planning. Let's make it left justified. What's up, Brian? Thanks, dude. You know, what'd be super cool is if I think I have the Twitter logo somewhere. If it like linked to their social profiles, so if someone had a comment, I could actually like see who it was. I wonder if I have the YouTube logo. I do. Dope. Oh, yeah, that's right. It is all down. Let me get that. YouTube. Just get a PNG, because that will not mess up, I don't think. Oops, I'm not sure why I did that. There we go. What's up, Advocat? So guys, by the way, I think I'll probably try to switch my computer for the next live stream because this lagginess is super annoying. And I apologize for it. All right, so how about we switch the order? So the hierarchy could be like name of video, the actual comment, which is going to be bigger and bolder, and then the person who actually wrote the comment. Does that hierarchy make sense? I feel like it kind of doesn't. Let me turn my mic off. One sec. Is that better? Is it still echoing for you guys? Cool. Yes, no echo. Thank my wife for that, because she's the one who told me to turn my mic off. Thank you, B. So I'm still missing the time too. Maybe I could do something like this. Get a reply link, and we can make that red color. And justify it to the right. Maybe in line with this. So this is 11.2, same. Let's delete that. Oh, I still need the time too. About an hour ago. Give that some space. So when you started design, would you just do things like this and redesign things for practice? Yeah, kinda. I did a bunch of like just random things. Well, I designed stuff for a bunch of like random side projects I had, but I also tried to do a bunch of freelance work and also, yeah, I would try to like create designs for brands and stuff, just for fun. Well, not for fun, just for practice. Well, I guess and fun. But if you're asking for what you should do, I highly recommend just creating a bunch of designs just for practice. All right, let's select all these images and we'll put new photos on them. And then we'll select these names and we'll change the name. Change this to view all comments. Which platform do you use to advertise your work? Um, well, I use like Dribble and stuff. I don't really use Behance at all. Um, I would say YouTube is probably the biggest thing I use. Um, I'm thinking about buying an ergonomic chair. Why did you choose the Herman Miller Embody version over the Herman Miller Aeron? So I'm actually kind of disappointed in this chair now. It was super awesome at first, but I've had it for several years now and it's kind of stiff. You can see I'm using a pillow behind me just because it's like been hurting my back lately. And the reason I chose it was just because um, I don't know, really. I heard it was good, so I gave it a go. All right, this top section's not right, feels off. It'll be kind of cool. I'm gonna copy, whoops, copy and paste. Oh, actually, I don't want to do that. What if select these like so? All right, let's grab these anchor points so we can get rid of the corner, but still leave it on that this one. And then we'll change the fill to let's send it backwards too. All right, my artboard is a mess. I'm gonna clean this up real quick. All right, let's lock this layer. That means the Herman Miller Aeron is better. I honestly have no idea. I've never tried that one. All right, this would be recent videos background. Gonna lock that shape. Select these, group them, rename it to header. This would be video thumbnail. This would be, oops, video analytics. And then let's group all of those and just call it video. Do the same for the others. Video analytics. Video analytics. delete that one. All right, now I can group all of these into recent videos. Then let's hide those for now. Let's call this comment header. Comment 1. Spencer, how do I come up with my color palettes? Colors depend a lot on like the vibe and emotion that you're going for. There's also a bit of color theory and all that goes into it, which you can learn about in my course if you're interested, by the way. But other times I just like search for stuff on Dribbble. A cool resource you can do is dribbble.com/colors. So like if I have one color that I want to, that I know I want to use, I can enter the hex code here and then search for Dribbble things, and then I can see like what other people are using in combination with that color. Also, cooler, Adobe, it's color.adobe.com. If it would ever load. On this site, you can also enter a hex code or just tweak the values here, and then it gives you the color palette based on the color rule of analogous, monochromatic, triad, complementary, etc. So this is a good resource as well. And Eli, yeah, I don't run LOL Colors anymore, but I still visit it from time to time. Whoa. All right, comment 2, comment 4, whoops. This line should be in comment 1, I think. There we go. And then I will select all this and group it. Let's hide that. All right, so I'm going to select these little dots. Thanks, dude. That Dribbble color page looks awesome. Yeah, I find that as a super helpful resource just to see like what other people are using. You don't have to like go by what other people are using, obviously, but it is helpful to like spark some inspiration. Have you been to Russia? I have not. All right, so I'm going to group those and rename them as graph dots. And then we'll select all of this stuff and just say graph. So really this is the only thing that needs to be masked. This stuff does not. So let's ignore underlying mask. There we go. And I'm actually going to lock that graph and lock the background so I don't keep saving my work. Good idea, Amrit. Thank you. Why haven't I been to Russia? I haven't traveled very much at all, unfortunately. I want to visit everywhere, though. All right, so this color does not work. Maybe something a little bit lighter. Something almost white, and then we could put like a slight border on it. So let's select that color and go ever so slightly darker. Actually, you know what I want to do? I don't want the border on the top. So instead, I think I'm going to select this color and remove the border. I'm going to copy and paste that shape. And then that background shape, I'll change that darker color. Shoot, I'm not sure what I just did. There we go. Let's bring it up 1 pixel. Oh, whoops, going the wrong way. And we'll change the height. There we go. Cool. Let's lock those layers so I don't actually grab them. Brian, usually people redesign top brands. Have you ever redesigned local websites? Like doing a brief of what you could prove, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, I have. Maybe I should do some of that on these live streams. I was thinking about doing like, since I'm doing twice a week, maybe like Wednesdays I could do UI design and Saturdays I could do illustrations or vice versa. That way I like kind of switch it up every time. But maybe I could add in something like that, doing redesign like local businesses and stuff. That could be cool. Here, what I'm going to do here, let's grab a shape and just let's group these and then select that shape and just center it. And then I'll use this as a guide for the other ones. In Russia, you are considered a professional in web design? That's awesome. Thanks. I mean, that's not bad. Let's unlock these and, whoa, lock that back layer. These maybe should be down like so. Probably need to move these down too. Something like that could be cool. Let's play with this navigation. How do you assign a hotkey in Sketch? I'm not really sure. Preferences, maybe. Yeah, I don't really know. I know design code Sketch. Here we go. Here's all the Sketch keyboard shortcuts that you can go through. It's a pretty in-depth list of them, which is pretty cool. But as far as doing custom ones, I'm not quite sure. Let's get rid of that, change it to that red color. Maybe this should be like a heavy one. Maybe all these could be like, let's see, what is this hex? Let's change this to that gray color. Mackenzie, do you have any wireframe sketches for this YouTube idea before drawing this UI? I normally start with Sketch. This one I kind of just jumped right into though. I don't really know what I want to do with this, so I'm just kind of playing around. All right, so what if this stuff was not on this background? Let's create a mask. Get that rounded corner. Move these over. I could have like a title, like "Welcome back, Mackenzie," something like that. And then I could have something like this, maybe say view channel. What does the actual one say? View channel and YouTube partner, maybe I could have that. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight. We get auto. Perfect. Rachel, I'm using a PC now for practice, so I can't use Sketch. What other programs do you recommend for PC prototyping? I think Adobe XD works for Sketch. Maybe check that one out. I have a 1680 by 1050 Dell monitor. It's become a pain in the ass lately. So it's time to upgrade dimensions. What do you recommend? What monitor resolution do you have? So this new one that I just got like a couple weeks ago is the LG 5K one. It's a 27-inch display, and the screen is gorgeous on it. It's kind of on the expensive side, but if you could swing it. I haven't had any issues with it, although I know other people have had issues with it, so you might want to like look into that first. But so far for me, it's been awesome. Are you going to be making a course for design with code? Probably not. I'm going to be doing a bunch of Webflow stuff, showing how to use their platform to build sites, but I'm not sure about the design to code one. All right, what other stuff am I missing? Need a search bar, the upload, and notifications. Hey Gotham, how's it going? All right, so how could I incorporate that search in there? Actually, that is not the one I wanted. That might work actually though. All right, so I need a notification one. So here's an upload one I could use. I'm not sure I really like that. I could edit it though. Are there no, just like bell? What issues exactly, if you don't mind? Oh, for the monitor? I heard some people, well, it's first off a Mac only monitor, so like it only works with the new Mac. Um, so that might be an issue if you don't have that. Um, but I heard some people like the screen would flicker if it was like too close to a router. But my router's like right down there, so I haven't had that issue. Also, like some times when you plug it in, it wouldn't like load or whatever. Aaron, I'd say animate the search bar. That's kind of what I was thinking. Just have like icon and then it could like scroll out. Hey Mackenzie, how do I make SVG logos like you do? Any tutorials in software? I use Illustrator almost exclusively for any vector stuff I do. So once you create a illustration or a logo or whatever, you just save it as an SVG compared to a AI file. Any advice on getting on Dribble? Do cool work, I guess. How's it going? Hey Thomas, how you doing, man? All right, I'm gonna just take this one. Ugh. Whoops. All right, let's change the size of this down a bit. Let's make it a black font so it's nice and bold. And we'll change the color to white. Line height, let's just make it 8 to match. All right, also need to upload one. Let's scale these down. And I also need a search one. This'll do. Shoot. Could you share more about Icon? Where do you get them? How do you choose them? So I've been using Nucleo lately. It's a pack of 8,387 icons. And you can choose from like the mini to the outline, glyph, and the colored. I think this set's pretty good. You could also check out Font Awesome. That's a good one as well. This I want to also let's add a border and just make it slightly thicker. There we go, that matches a bit more. And these ones I want to round off. Oh, these are fills. Eli, where do you get the ideas for which websites to redesign? Well, I go into the YouTube dashboard all the time, so that's why I chose that one. Not really loving this. All right, let's try something like this. That's not bad. Yeah, I think this is good, at least for now. I think I'm going to end the stream here, guys, because it's over an hour and I got to record some tutorials for YouTube. Anybody got any questions or anything before I bounce? If so, ask away. Awesome, Rachel. Other than craft, what is your most useful sketch plugin? I started recently using dynamic symbol button, which is awesome. So how that works is you can create a symbol and then based on the text, or you create a symbol for a button, enter in the padding values like the top, bottom, left, and right. And then you enter in the text as an override for that symbol. And then you hit Command Option J and it automatically resizes based on the size of the text, which is fantastic. Yeah, Rachel and everybody, sorry about the lag today. I'm gonna hopefully figure all this out soon. Cool, guys. I think I'm gonna bounce. I'll catch you next time. Check out the new site, watchmepractice.co. But yeah, until next time, hope you have a good one. Peace.